Hello, guys. How are you doing? This is Risa, and I am just talking today about some stuff that I've observed, and I just have something to say, as usual. I hope you're all doing well. And today I am talking about the comments that I have heard from entertainers. Yes, a few have finally spoken. I was wondering where they were. They were all sleeping under a rock. I mean, there are a few that have, they came out and they voiced their opinion, definitely. But the majority have been sleeping. They've been sleeping on what's going on because a lot has been going on. So today I heard Buju Banton came out and he had his piece to say, and he did say it, and I totally agree with him. What he's saying makes all the sense in the world. People need to wake up. They're sleeping. There is so much going on in the world right now that the majority of the Jamaican public have no clue, clueless to what is going on in the world right now. And there is so much changes happening, so much being forced upon us, mandated stuff going on. People need to be aware. There's a media blackout, of course, because the public is not being told what's going on. There is so much. I mean, even in Barbados right now, they are kicking up, protesting going on. St. Vincent, you heard about St. Vincent, what's going on in there. They bust up the prime minister's head. I mean, it's going on. Then you have Australia, then you have South Africa. It's just happening all over. But no, they're not reporting it. If videos are not leaked out of these places, nobody knows what's going on. So people need to be awoken. Okay? They tell you, it's not easy. It is not what's going on. And we need to wake up. Jamaica has been quiet. Jamaica's always been forefront of changes. In the past, I'm talking. In the past, Jamaica was the one that they took the lead in changes. They did not sit and conform to anything. But you know what happened? This new generation, the youth of today, they are in a different zone. They're in like twilight zone. They're not aware of anything. They are blinded by media, by fashion. That means absolutely nothing. They're not educated on things that will change them. Human rights, they don't know nothing about those things. And we need to have these young generation educated. I mean, I see them and they don't know night from day. They are clueless. They are just floating around. And it's sad because they're the ones coming up as leaders, and I don't know what kind of leaders they are going to make. Because you know what? The world is in crisis right now. Then I saw another entertainer came out, Sizzla Kalanja, and he was talking about the Rastas, that they need to step up, get into their temple, go to Bingi more, take part, support Bingi more, because Bingi needs support. I mean, they need a lot of things. Their temple needs to be looked after properly. The places, the bathrooms, even the dwelling areas that they sleep and hang out. They need to take care of these things, and one person really can't do it, or two. They need overall all these entertainers that has benefited from reggae, from Rastas. They need to step up and aid. They need to, as he said, there are many, 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 many millionaires that can more than afford if everybody come together and say, we are going to support Bingi sites and look after the place, it will be such a change. It'll be change for everyone. So people need to step up. The entertainers need to step. The ones that have benefit, they need to step up. Need to step their game up and start looking after the bingy grounds and the rest of the Rastas that don't have it like they do. Because you know what? It's all your brothers and sisters, man. You gotta step up. I don't see any other. I mean, there's Foota Hype that he will talk. He will say his thing, and there's another guy that he always speak. But I mean, that's it. Where's everybody else? Where is everybody else? It's not like they're working behind the scenes. No, they are silent. And this is not the time for you to be silent. This is a time for you to be outspoken. This is a time that your words will aid the rest of Jamaicans that don't have a voice. You be the voice. I mean, y'all can go to the clubs and the dance hall and the stage show, and y'all can shout, but this is a time that you're all needed now to show your face, and not show your face, show where your money is. Show where your money is. That's what's needed. And for when you speak and you pull the people together, you will be surprised how people bond together, because they look up to a lot of the entertainers. But if the entertainers are not saying anything, then it's just left for people to just kind of try to find their way in darkness, because that's what they are. They're all in darkness right now. Majority of them, they're in darkness. They don't know what's coming. They don't know nothing. And so we need leaders to say, okay, this is what we are going to do. This is what's needed. And this is it. Let's do this. But nobody is saying anything. I'm on Bujabantan can't do it by himself. He can only give information and hope others take the information and do your own research. Read more. Don't listen. Get rid of the distractions. Too many distractions are out now to get your mind off what's going on. And this is no joke. This is no joke. They are deliberately distracting you from what is going on. And they are feeding you foolish information, telling you things that are not so. But you need to know the truth. You need to do your own research, read more, leave foolishness on television. They have all these little fake shows and stupidness going on when that's not what you need to do. You need to educate yourself on all the fundamentals. You need to know the lies. When the lies come at you, you're supposed to be able to recognize that they're lies and go for what is truth. So, my brothers and sisters, my Jamaican brothers and sisters, I want you to understand what's going on. I want you to be more focused on what's going on around you. I want you to see what's going on. And I want you to stand up for your rights and don't fall for the garbage that they're telling you. So, you hang in there, my brothers and sisters. This is Risa, and you all take care of yourself and take care of someone else. Alrighty? Y'all be good now, and I'll talk to you again in another video. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me how you feel about what's going on, and we'll talk again. Bye now.